Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wizz app not working. So if you are facing any kind of problem while launching your Wizz application, you just have to simply follow these steps. As you can see over here, when I opened my Wizz application, it is asking me for update. So if this is the case with you as well, you just have to simply launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Wizz app. Now once you are able to find this application, you just have to tap on the update button right next to it, and after updating your application you just have to simply launch it and check if it is now working properly or not. The second thing that you can do is you can simply check your internet connection. Now whenever we have a very poor internet connection, we face these types of problems, so you need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists, or in order to fix with the internet, you just have to simply swipe down your notification bar, tap on your airplane mode for 5 seconds, then tap on the airplane mode again, and what this will do is it will improve your internet speed. So you can try these two troubleshooting methods in order to fix your Wizz app not working problem. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.